Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Oh no, back.
That's
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benedict Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from the Mannequin studio. And in today's video, we're gonna be styling again. Ooh, you can hear the wind. That's the wind going outside. It's so windy these days in Boston, being in quarantine. But staying, guys. Hope you guys are staying safe. I'm basically gonna be showing you guys one of the worst things I've ever bought. This is really the worst thing I own in my closet. And quick backtrack, why do I own this? This is like a jumpsuit I thrifted in 2018. That's 2 years ago. I did tell myself that I was going to make something out of it, like I was gonna maybe cut it and make it something, but I never did. So it's been sitting in my closet. I'm gonna show you guys a picture. It was for Halloween. This is what I dressed as. I was trying to go for like kind of like a Freddy Krueger type of vibe. So that's what I looked like. Yeah, but then it's one of them things that once you use it one time, you really can't use it anymore. So I'm in quarantine, so I was like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna try pulling out three or four styles with this thing. Here it is. It's like it looks like an army jumpsuit and all that, but the legs are very huge, by the way. So for the first part of this video, I'm gonna slim them down, make them fitted, and then we're gonna get to styling. Is that good? All right, let's get to the video. I'm gonna put you guys onto some like fastest way, or like quickest way to thread your needle. You want to make sure like this end, I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, that end, you want to make sure it's like clean. So usually what I do, I just like break it or like cut it with my teeth, because when you use your teeth, it might be the roughest way to do it. But basically, yeah, that's how you do it. I don't know if you guys got what I just did. I basically just put it through, but you want to always make sure that that part is very thin. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think about the styles. Which was your favorite? Was it this one? Or 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 was it this one? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. What styles. Also go on my Instagram, like the photos, and like I said, comment your favorite styles. If you were impressed, share the video, and I'll see you in the next video.